today we're going to do height, not weight, height. And that is measured in meters as our base. So meters is always what is going to be at the end of a prefix that I will be providing you. So I'm going to draw this line here. And in the middle is where just the word meter is. 1 meter. Okay? Then the rest of these would be a prefix in front of meter. So this is going to be decimeter. This would be centimeter. And this is millimeter. I'm going to show you an easy way to remember this. Okay. This is a decameter. This is a hectometer. And this is a kilometer or kilometer, which is close to what we would know as a mile. So how do you know which one goes in what order? I'm going to color right here the prefixes that actually carry over, except for meter. These prefixes will carry over to the other notes. Mass, which is like weight or height or capacity, they all use the same prefixes, okay? I always remember it with King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. Okay? So that's the first letter of each of these. That's how I remember it. So we're just going to be doing height right now, but it's the same process for capacity and for mass. So here's how we would do it. It would look something like 70 centimeters equals how many millimeters? Okay? So what I would do is I would start on centimeters right here. Okay? And I would move, oh, that was millimeters. Millimeters. Okay? How many millimeters? I'm going to move to the right to get to millimeters. How many times did I move to the right? 1 time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 70 here. Remember, our decimal is always at the end if we don't have it. And I'm going to move the decimal 1 point to the left because that's what I did on my chart. So it is actually 700 millimeters. So it's kind of like when we did place value a little bit. Let's do another one. I'm going to do a different color. I think I'm going to do blue. So we're going to say, I'm going to go this way. 250 meters equals how many kilometers? So I'm going to go blue. I'm going to start on meters and then stop when I get kilometers. 1, 2, 3. 3 to the left. So I am going to write 250 down here. Remember my decimals right here. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left. So this is my answer. The further to the left you get, the bigger it is, the bigger the measurement. So a millimeter is about the width of a dime, and a kilometer is around a mile. It's comparable to a mile. So we're going to do one more, and then you are going to have some examples over here to work on, and then you're going to go work on your examples in the textbook. Let's do one more. I'm going to do (7,529) millimeters equals how many meters? And I'm going to use purple. So I'm going to start on millimeters, and I'm going to move to meters. 1, 2, 3 to the left. 1, 2, 3 to the left. There you go. 7 and 529 thousandths. Okay, so here's what you're going